In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Cyberghost VPN on your Android device in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to enhance your online privacy, bypass geo-restrictions, or merely browse more securely, installing Cyberghost VPN can be an excellent choice. So let's dive in and make sure you're set up correctly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your Android device and head over to the Cyberghost VPN website. This is where you'll access all the necessary resources needed for your VPN setup. Once you're on their homepage, locate the button labeled My Account. It typically sits at the top of the page, making it fairly easy to find. Go ahead and click on this button. Now, it's time to log in to your Cyberghost account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials and proceed. However, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up first, which you can also do from this interface. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to the Cyberghost homepage, which acts as a control center for everything related to your VPN service. From here, navigate towards the Download Hub, which you'll find linked on this main page. The Download Hub is crucial because it's where you're going to collect the necessary setup files for your Android device. After reaching the Download Hub, look for the Mobile Apps section. This section is specifically designated for downloads related to smartphones and tablets, ensuring you have everything optimized for mobile use. Click on the Mobile Apps and you'll be presented with various operating system options. Since we're focusing on Android, you'll want to click on Android. This will direct you to a page where the optimized Cyberghost APK for Android devices can be downloaded. Once you've clicked Android, the download should start automatically. If, for any reason, the download doesn't initiate, there should be an option to manually start the process. It is important to note that, depending on your device's settings, you may need to allow installations from unknown sources. This can typically be adjusted in your mobile settings under Security Options. After the APK file has successfully been downloaded, find the file in your Downloads folder or wherever files are stored on your device, and tap on it to initiate the installation process. Follow the installation prompts, allowing necessary permissions for the app to function correctly. Once installed, locate the Cyberghost VPN app on your device. Open it and log in with your previously used account credentials. Congratulations! Your Android device is now equipped with Cyberghost VPN, enabling you to browse the internet securely and privately. This setup is designed to be straightforward, but should you encounter any issues along the way, the Cyberghost support team is available to assist. Enjoy your secure browsing experience.